On average, 6 zip ties are cut and rendered useless per new bike delivered to its customer. We've got a solution. Tino's patented reusable zip ties can be reused for more than 500 times. Let's see how it works. First, loop the zip tie round the object and pull. At this point, the locking mechanism is not engaged. Therefore, there is almost no resistance when pulling, reducing fatigue buildup for the assembly line operator during repetitions. At the desired position, push the tab to engage the lock. Then pull further to the desired tightness. The zip tie is now locked in place. To remove the zip tie, simply pull the tab backwards to release the locking mechanism. A second zip tie can be used to pull the tab instead if there is too much tension. And the zip tie can easily be removed. Instead of disposable zip ties, what if a brand new bicycle comes with reusable zip ties to secure its packaging? They will be repurposed. And the possibilities are endless. Why recycle when we can reduce by reusing? Why waste when we can save? Let's turn commodity into innovative opportunities for the end users and for your brand. For more product information or inquiry on purchasing or licensing, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.